There are hundreds of Black Friday deals out there, but before you spend a dime, take a look at the 10 best deals that will save you serious money. I'm talking about premium WordPress plugins and themes that I actually use myself on my own sites and for client projects. This isn't some random list. I've tried all of these tools in real work and they've proven themselves. Right now, you can get discounts up to 90% off on stuff that will help you work faster and build better websites. So, if you're interested, then let's jump in. In this video, I'm going to show you only the 10 best deals, but I have compiled a separate page that contains all the awesome deals that I don't have time to cover in this video. So, in order to get the deals, I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. Just open up the link and you'll see all the deals. But now let's take a look at the first deal. And the first deal I have for you is from my favorite team, and the team is called Blocksy. Currently they offer up to 40% off on all plans, and if you're looking for a lifetime deal, then you'll get 30% off. If you're not familiar with the Blocksy, then it comes with a bunch of pro extensions. For example, you can activate all the extensions one by one. WooCommerce has these extensions: floating cart, quick view, filters, wishlist, variation swatches, compare, advanced product brands, custom tabs, size guides, and so on. As you see, bunch of cool extensions here. You can activate local Google fonts, add custom fonts, Adobe fonts. You can create mega menu with the help of Blocksy, add a colors mode switch, add custom code snippets, create multiple sidebars, add a shortcuts bar, and white label your site. Blocksy also has the most powerful header builder. You can drag and drop all the elements as you like. You can add these elements to your header. You can clone items, and basically you can create any header or footer you like. For example, they also have a similar footer builder. Just drag and drop and create a site as you like. It comes with tens of starter sites. You can preview them, import them, or create your own custom website, because Blocksy allows you to customize basically every aspect. So, this was Blocksy. Next one I have for you is my favorite Gutenberg block editor, and it's called Spectra. The free version has been installed on more than 1 million websites. It's a really popular plugin, but if you don't know, they also have a pro version. You can choose between annual and lifetime plans, and you can choose whether to purchase only Spectra Pro or Essential Toolkit, which also gives you an access to the Astra Pro theme, Ultimate Elementor add-ons, and 300 premium starter templates. If you're not familiar with a Spectra editor, then there it is. As you see, it adds a nice shortcuts toolbar here. You can add any block to the toolbar. I have added the most used blocks here. Whatever it is, for example, if you think separator is the one you use the most, then just add it here. And if you don't need it, then you can just delete it here. If you need to rearrange the blocks, click here, rearrange them, and done. There is a big design library here. You can either import elements, for example, page headers, service lists, or pages. You can import all the pages, or even full kits. For example, this one here, you'll see that the kit contains 3 pages. You can add everything to the favorites, and if you add something to the page, you'll see this is the sidebar with all the goodies. You can customize every aspect for different screen sizes. For example, let's customize typography. You'll see for desktops the size is 59, but I can also change the size for tablets or mobiles. So it's a really powerful tool, and if you're looking for the best Gutenberg page builder, then the Spectra is a way to go. Now, since we're already talking about page builders, then next deal I have for you comes from the ZipWP, which allows you to build websites in under 1 minute. The team behind the ZipWP is the same team that is behind the Astra team and the Spectra blocks. As you see, currently they offer 41% off from all plans, and the deal is valid until 5th of December. Now, let's take a look what the ZipWP does for you. First, you can choose whether to build a website for your business, for clients, or maybe you just want to try it out. Let's create a website for myself. I'm new to WordPress. I'm going to select block builder. Yes, I have a hosting. I heard it from the search engine. Next, let's name the website, for example, demo. This website is for restaurant and it's going to be in English. Next, let's tell a bit about the restaurant. I'm going to paste it here. Next, I added my email and phone number, address, and next, I'm going to select some random images just as an example. Next, it's going to create me a preview. As you saw, bunch of previews of the site here. I'm going to select this one. Next, I can change the fonts, color palettes, and when I'm ready, then I'm going to click continue. Here I can select the features I need on my website, for example, SEO visibility, automation, and integration. I don't need any e-commerce or bookings, therefore let's start building. Now it's going to create the first draft. Usually it takes 30 to 60 seconds to create the first draft. Now it's ready, let's take a look at it. And what do you know? Here's my site. Scroll it through. And also now you can customize it, edit pages, go to the dashboard. Also you can access the dashboard here. Now when the site is ready, just use your favorite migration tool, migrate the site to your hosting, and done. Awesome stuff, and currently you'll get it for 41% off. Now the next plugin I'm gonna show you comes also from the same team that is behind ZipWP, Astra, and Spectra. The plugin is called Cart Flows, which allows you to build funnels and which is the ultimate sales funnel builder for WordPress. This plugin helps store owners create high converting checkout experiences and complete funnels without coding. If you log in, you'll see you can create funnels, store checkouts, automations, modern cart to your site. And if you need to create a funnel, then it's easy to do. You can either create it from scratch or select one of the templates. As an example, I'm going to choose this one here, and you'll see this is a funnel preview, landing page, and thank you page. If you take a look at other ones, then this one looks like this. If it's something you like, then just import the tunnel. But if you want to create from scratch, then give it a title, next design it. Now you can add your steps here, landing page, checkout page, thank you page. You can customize everything and activate it. So with features like modern checkout layouts, order bumps, one-click upsells and downsells, A/B testing and dynamic funnel flows, this plugin is designed to maximize conversions and increase revenue. And as I mentioned, currently it's 40% off. Just follow the link. Next deal is a bundle, and the bundle is 50% off for unlimited sites, and the deal contains the Plus add-ons for Elementor, Nexter WP, and W Design Kit in one bundle. The Plus add-ons for Elementor is useful for Elementor users. It adds 100 plus Elementor widgets and more than 1000 Elementor templates. It also contains Nexter WP, that is blocks, themes, and extensions. I have made a separate video about Nexter WP, which is a really powerful site enhancement toolkit. And this extension allows you to speed up your website by disabling all sorts of irrelevant stuff. It adds a bunch of other cool tools, for example, rollback manager, redirect 404, bulk text and URL replacement, post duplication, thumbnail regeneration. You can disable image sizes, add a heartbeat control, revision control. It also has a security hardening tools for WordPress and so on. Basically, with a one extension, you can replace 50 WordPress plugins on your site. This bundle also contains W Design Kit, which gives you an access to more than 2000 website sections and templates and more than 100 pre-designed widgets. And last one here is a Figma to WordPress converter, which is a really useful tool if you're using Figma. So once again, this bundle is currently 50% off, and you'll see they also offer a unlimited sites bundle. Next deal is also a bundle, and this time it's a Kadence Black Friday bundle. You'll get up to 30% off from all plans, and you'll see there is a Express plan, Plus plan, and Ultimate plan. If you choose Plus or Ultimate plan, you'll get different modules. For example, Ultimate plan contains ShopKit for WooCommerce. It contains Kadence Blocks Pro, Kadence Pro Team, Kadence Conversions, and Kadence Insights. Just a short overview. Kadence Blocksy is another block builder, and this plugin comes with a bunch of cool blocks here. There is also a design library, and you can create your site using AI. You can import templates, and as always with the good Gutenberg extensions, you have an option to customize every aspect for different screen sizes. Kadence Conversion is a plugin which allows you to create all sorts of pop-ups and slide outs. You can collect leads with the help of it, connect with visitors, and you'll see these are some examples you can create with this plugin. Kadence Insights is a plugin which allows you to create A/B tests for your websites, and this way you can see real-time results to make confident decisions that drive higher conversions. If you're a WooCommerce user, then the Kadence Shop Kits allows you to extend your shop. It has a bunch of cool modules. For example, you can create custom product layouts. There are advanced galleries. You'll see these are the examples. You can add variation watches, variation galleries, advanced reviews, create product brands, add sizing charts, create custom global tabs, affiliate product options, variation price control, and add custom labels. So all this is inside the Ultimate Bundle, and you'll get it for up to 30% off. Okay, almost there. Another deal I have for you today is from the BitApps, and this company offers Bitform, which is one of the most advanced WordPress form builders. It allows you to create multi-step forms, payment forms, and so on. They also offer Bit integrations, which allows you to integrate your site with more than 300 popular platforms. They also offer you a BitFlows, which is a tool to create all sorts of workflows and automations. And this plugin allows you to connect your site with more than 200 triggers and actions. And last one from them is BitSocial, which allows you to create posts and schedule and share them across multiple social platforms. So as you see, they have a Black Friday deal up to 74% off. This leads me to the last deal, and this time it's a hosting. It's a WordPress hosting. I have used them for 3.5 years now, and I'm really satisfied. Currently they offer up to 90% off. I use a reseller hosting plan, but you can take a look what is the most suitable plan for you. WordPress is a well-trusted company, as you see, more than 900 reviews on Trustpilot, and average rating is 4.7. They have a global network of servers powered by 8 server locations across 5 continents. And as I mentioned, I have used them for 3.5 years. This was the last deal I have for you today. But as I mentioned, I'm going to put the link to all the deals I have. And currently there are 27 different deals on one page. I'm going to put the link to it in the video description.